Hey everyone, John Hurlbut here at the Altitude Homes team. Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, I want to share some practical tips and recommendations for homeowners here in the Northwest. Whether you're looking to improve your home, find local services, or just make your living space more enjoyable, I've got you covered. Let's start with some home improvement tips. We all want our homes to look their best, and sometimes a few small changes can make a big difference. Here are my top 3 easy home improvement projects that can enhance your living space without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about painting. A fresh coat of paint can transform any room. Choose colors that complement your furniture and create the atmosphere you want. Whether it's a bold accent wall or a soothing neutral, paint is one of the most cost-effective ways to update your home. Next, consider upgrading your kitchen and bathrooms. You don't need a full renovation to make a big impact. New cabinet hardware, a stylish backsplash, or modern light fixtures can give these rooms a fresh look. And if you're handy, consider installing a new faucet or replacing old appliances. Lastly, don't forget about curb appeal. Your home's exterior is the first thing people see. Simple landscaping updates, a new mailbox, or a fresh coat of paint on the front door can make a big difference. Plus, it's a great way to enjoy our beautiful Northwest weather. Do you need supplies or advice? We have some fantastic local hardware stores and home improvement centers. Whether you're in Tacoma, Olympia, or Seattle, there's always a helpful store nearby. Supporting local businesses not only helps our community, but often means you get personalized service and expert advice. Now, let's talk about local services. Whether you need a reliable plumber, a skilled electrician, or a trustworthy handyman, it's important to know who to call. I mention this to all of the folks I help buy or sell, but then I see them posting online, "Does anyone know a good plumber?" So let this serve as your helpful reminder. I know them. I know the plumbers, the electricians, the painters, attorneys, whoever you need. Even if you need a magician, I know them. So make me your first call. These are the best in the business, and I've worked with all of them. So don't hesitate to reach out and I'll get you connected. For those of you with a green thumb, the Northwest is a gardener's paradise. Our local garden centers offer a wide variety of native plants, tools, and expert advice. Whether you're looking to start a vegetable garden, create a flower bed, or simply add some greenery to your space, these local centers are a great resource. So there you have it, some practical tips and local recommendations to help you make the most of your home. Remember, whether you're improving your space or just enjoying what the Northwest has to offer, it's all about making your home a place you love. If you have any questions or need more recommendations, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. Enjoy the fabulous summer weather we have in store. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay in touch. Catch you at the next one.